This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Selma Shevers. Happy holidays! Ring the new year in a new home. Lovely 4/2/2 home build in 2022 off California with bright and open floor plan, tiled living areas, rich luxury vinyl in bedrooms with a nice, covered porch. All appliances included, upgraded ceiling fans with open kitchen and island overlooking the living areas, large master suite and oversized master bath with dual sinks and walk-in closet. Centrally located off the Gatlin corridor with everything at your fingertips, a commuter's dream close to I-95 and Crosstown, all shopping, tradition medical, restaurants, so much to offer. Take a peek and fall in love. Home is where the heart is, and your story begins. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.